Welcome and thank you for joining us at SVSU's Open House. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday. And in the meantime, here's an overview of what your day will look like. Your first stop will be in Greening Commons, located in Curtis Hall for check-in. We have no set agenda for our open house, so you can decide where you'd like to spend your time. Arrive at any time you want, but make sure you give yourself plenty of time to mingle and get your questions answered before our day ends at 1 p.m. In the agenda, you will see that each of our 100+ academic programs are assigned to 5 different colleges. Each of those 5 colleges have been assigned a specific color to help you navigate your way around campus. You'll find color-coded arrows and signs throughout the buildings to show you the right way to find them. I should mention, to those of you who are visiting campus for the first time, you will definitely want to attend our admissions presentation at 9:30 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. located in the recital hall and field theater at Greening Commons. To find the location where tours begin, check out your map and head over to the rotunda to be paired with one of our student tour guides. Another place you might decide to start your day with is in the Thompson Student Activity Room. Again, designated with a specific color on the agenda, so you'll know exactly where to go. Here, you can find more information from all of our student offices. If at any time your adventure takes you in the wrong direction, don't worry. Our campus is filled with Cardinal volunteers to help you find your way again. We're excited that you're joining us at SVSU. We'll see you on Saturday.